Loki, what you doing? You doing the unboxing? What did you get? You got a Cylee? Huh? What you gonna put on the Cylee, Loki? What you gonna put the Cylee on? Huh? You want to put it on that? And what does that go to? Come see. Get your other piece. And it goes to that? That's what you're gonna put it on? What kind of Cylee you got, look? Let's see, what you got? You got the instructions. And you got the pad. It's right there. Let's see what we got. What you got, Papa? It came with a rubber cover. It's a Cylee, look. Wow. This says the Wolf Zero. That's what you got? You got a Wolf Zero? You gonna put that on the cannon? And it's from Cylee. See if we could get it to focus. There you go. So you want me to, look, you want me to put it on the cannon?